Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Dell Vostro 3590. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your Wi-Fi card. So first thing guys, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access our bottom case screws. Now there's quite a lot of screws on this bottom case. We're going to take them all up. Especially remember to take up this one. This is the CD screw. After you take up that screw, you'll be able to pull out your CD-ROM drive here. Now be careful because this plastic piece can come off and break if you try to pull it off too hard or the incorrect way. What I do is I take a small flat pry tool and I slide it inside this seam right here and then firmly but carefully push this straight to the side to slide it out. And again, be careful because if you do it wrong, you can break this plastic piece. After taking out those screws and your CD-ROM drive, some of you may have two more screws located here. Don't forget those because this is very thin plastic. And if you try to rip this bottom case off without doing that, you can break this area. After all the screws are gone, you're going to take a small, flat, preferably plastic pry tool and go across the seam of the bottom case all the way around and remove it from your computer. It's generally easiest to start up here near one of the two hinge assemblies in these corners. If you get stuck in a certain area, stop, go to the other direction, and work your way in the other direction. Also, don't put the pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Keep it on the edge, go careful and slow but firm, and you'll be able to get that bottom case off. After the bottom case is removed, this is what you're looking at for the inside of the computer. As a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your computer project, as well as any replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model computer, I will have a link above, also below in the description, and that will be a list of all the tools and supplies I use, plus all the replacement and upgrade parts for this model computer. Now, before I touch anything inside a computer, I always remove or at least unplug my battery. A computer is safest to work on when as little power as possible is running through it. The battery is screwed down by these 4 screws, and it plugs into the motherboard right here. There's a 2-sided battery connector cable. It plugs into the motherboard and it plugs into the battery. You can unplug it from either place. To unplug it from the motherboard, which may be the easiest option, you would pull this black tape back, exposing the battery plug. And as with any wires or cables in a computer, we try to avoid pulling on the wires if at all possible. We just manipulate the plug because sometimes wires can break and come out of the plug when we pull on them. So this plug right here, you'll notice it has a grip on either side. Makes it very easy to grip it and pull it out with your fingernails or a pry tool to jimmy it out of that port right there. Okay, so now that the battery has been removed or at least unplugged, it's safe to proceed deeper into the computer. Your Wi-Fi card is right up here near the top right of my screen. It's held in by a single screw on the middle on the right, and there's a little plastic guard that protects your antenna wire. So once you undo that screw, you'll be able to pull the Wi-Fi card out of this port on the left. Now I will try to have a replacement Wi-Fi card option for you below in the description in that link I told you about with all the replacement and upgrade parts for this computer if you need help finding one. To get the antenna wire off, those are just snaps. So those unsnap, you pull them directly up and off of your Wi-Fi card and they come off fairly easily. To get them back on the Wi-Fi card, they do need to be at a perfect 90-degree angle to snap back on. And you are strong enough to damage them if they're not at the perfect angle and you force it. So just go slow, be patient. It could be a bit of a pain if you're not used to it, but you will be able to get those back on at the right angle. I guess the last thing I can mention about this kind of repair is that if you are having Wi-Fi issues, if you can't see any Wi-Fi options, if you can't find the Wi-Fi option you're looking for, it could be that your Wi-Fi card is bad and needs to be replaced, but it also could be something else. You could be looking at a driver issue, a system update issue. So below in the description, I will have a video tutorial link It'll show you how to troubleshoot if your laptop is not picking up Wi-Fi, and you may be able to fix it without having to come in here and do an invasive repair like this. But that's this video, how to get inside the Vostro 3590 and access your Wi-Fi card. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.